Alright, what's going on, guys? So we came to this parking structure just so you guys can hear the blow-off valve, and we can do a couple pulls, and we can see what it sounds like, or hear what it sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna give it a couple revs so you guys can hear it, and then we'll do some pulls.
Alright, so he's gonna go ahead and do a few pulls so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the outside perspective. Oh my goodness, it sounds so dope. Honestly, that's like one of the best mods you can do to a turbo car, just having a blow-off valve. Makes it sound 100 times better. Let's go see from the inside how it sounds.
Kind of hurts my ear.
It's hella loud.
No, it's loud, especially in here. It echoes really, really loud. But real nice too, though. Go up or down or what?
Huh? The ABS.
I know. The floor's kind of wet, so it didn't let me slip. Seatbelt.
Man,
that's so much fun.
Good.
Definitely a neck breaker. I mean, there's no necks here, but oh shit. We should probably make a video of us like breaking necks with the blow-off valve.
For real.
Oh, damn, I'm cold. I'm freezing.
It is cold.
No, we're leaving now.
What
the heck was that?
Oh, look, the Mustang.
Huh?
Mustang up there.
Was that the exhaust?
Yeah, it is the exhaust.
That's crazy. Now we should do that.
It's because you're slipping and it's stopping you. Do it?
I wish it was manual. What?
Never mind.
We're going down.
You're gonna die.
Oh, cold. Freezing my butt off. Dude, how many floors is it, like 6?
I know. Yeah. Sounds so dope.
You can kind of hear the brakes. Is there next break? Look at their necks. Oh, damn. Don't look at this.
What, check engine? Always, always.
Alright, so now we're just pumping gas to make up for all the pulls. Nah, I'm joking. I needed the gas anyways. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like how the car sounds, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.